Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in New Kingston and we're looking at the site where Barita Investments is going to build one of the largest hotels in Jamaica. It is going to be, sorry, in Kingston, because the hotels on the North Coast and Montego Bay are massive. This is going to be one of the largest hotels in Kingston. Now, this property is where the Eden Garden Hotel used to be. Barita bought the property, demolished the hotel, and they plan to put up a new hotel here. But this development is it's going to be a mixed use development. It's going to have a hotel that's going to be over 10 floors. It's going to have a residential tower and it's going to have a business complex. So this is going to be a massive development. And as you can see, it's a massive piece of land. It's at the corner of Argyle and Lady Musgrave Road. That building to the left is a new medical complex that's being built by Image Plus, and coming into view on the left now is the AC Hotel. Straight ahead where you see that blue and white building, that is the Cambridge Hotel, and straight ahead now, that white building is another residential development. It's apartments. And that building in the background at the top is another residential development. And then in front of that, the pinkish looking building, that's the Argyle. So this is a very developed area. Now to the right of the screen at the back, that is a 10-floor residential building that Proven built. Can't remember the name now. If anybody remembers, you can leave a comment in the section below. And then in front of it is another residential building that's being built. So we're going to give you more information on what Barita has planned here. A major new development is being planned for the former Eden Gardens Hotel property on Lady Musgrave Road in Kingston, signaling another significant investment in Jamaica's commercial real estate sector. The project forms part of a broader property development strategy by Barita Investments, which has been expanding beyond financial services into tourism and real estate. The company has identified the former Eden Garden site as one of its flagship developments. According to Barita, the vision is to transform the property into a modern urban hotel, residential, and business complex. Rather than simply replacing the former hotel, the redevelopment is expected to create a mixed-use destination where visitors can stay, businesses can operate, and residents can live in one integrated community. The planned development is expected to capitalize on the growing demand for high-quality hotel accommodation and premium commercial space in Kingston. Located along Lady Musgrave Road, the property sits in one of the city's fastest-growing business corridors, close to New Kingston, major hospitals, corporate offices, embassies, and entertainment venues. The proposal also reflects a wider trend taking place across the corporate area. New office towers, residential developments, hotels, and commercial complexes are reshaping Kingston's skyline as visitors position the city as a regional business and tourism hub. Several other major projects are also underway nearby, reinforcing confidence in the capital's long-term economic growth. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys.